Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Viber not responding. Now if you have that problem, the first thing what you can do, you need to get up into your Play Store. You need to make sure that you have the latest version of Viber. If you don't have it, you're gonna be able to get up and update it with a simple click on your right side with a site with a green slide setup. As you can see here, I have that open site, which that means that I have the latest version of Viber and I'm not able to get up the lat update. Now what I need to do next, I need to get up into my settings on my phone, and then you need to go up and go for applications. Choose up the second selection, which is manage applications. On the search box you need to type for Viber to do not waste your time to get up the application. Then go for clear all data. Firstly clear cake, the second setup, then go clear all data, and with this simply it could get up the problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.